Daddy got a new car.
Different now.
Whoa.
She's different now.
All it. Wow.
Giờ mày theo hả? Giờ mới theo hả?
Wow.
Wow mày.
Papa got a new car.
Wow. Go 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 go
Wow.
Go, 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 go go go. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Go.
Go.
Go. Woo. Honk honk. Beep beep.
Gì kêu vậy? Hả? Cái gì kêu? Ủa? Cái gì á? Cái gì kêu vậy?
Hey.
Ủa?
Hi. You cutting your hair, my love? Oh my goodness. Is Baba cutting your hair?
Nè, phải kịp không?
Cho bà giỏi đi. Tắt đi chơi nhé. Tắt đi chơi ha. Tôi bảo tắt đi chơi ha. Good job. Okay, here. You want to try yourself? Let me see. Teeth. Good job. Oh, they look pretty good. Banana? Banana. Yummy? When you press all the piano keys from this one to the end, it unlocks a song. Ready? Oh. Another book? Come here. I'll read it for you. Play hide and seek with Herbie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I come. Bye. Is Herbie behind the brown door? No, he's not behind the brown door. You want to read Goodnight Baby? Baby? Okay. You want some blanket? Get cozy. Close your eyes now, sleepyhead. Good night, baby. Time for bed. Night night. Night night. Night night.
Hi. Good morning. Hey, River. Hi.
Like it? Say thank you. Thank you.
Đậu xanh có trứng không, chưa có về. Chưa có về, đậu xanh có trứng chưa có về. Có hạt sen 2 trứng.
Tiền ha. Ok, tiền
Đậu
ha.
xanh trứng chưa có về, chưa có về.
Trứng tiền, trứng tiền. What you got, baby?
Mới về hả?
Bye.
Bye con. Chị con mình back tomorrow, okay? Love you. Bye.
Can you get that diaper, please?
Thank you.
Over here.
Come here. Daddy got the share tea. We're ready for Bacon's party. Hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Hi. Happy birthday, Ying. Thank you. We got some oysters. Hey, Luna Boom. The oysters over here. Sharon's grading. Grading the Parmesan. Is that your first time grading? River's eating a marshmallow. Alright. Got some pasta for you.
It does taste very Asian.
We got some oysters. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, she said hi too.
We got birthday, dear Hing. Happy birthday to you. Let's go night night, River. Bye, baby. Did you have fun at the birthday party? All that dancing? You gotta put your sleep sack on, okay? Night night. It's way past your bedtime. You're supposed to sleep 2 hours ago. Okay, you ready? Alright, let's go. Bye, baby. Good night. I love you. Bye. Nice.
Yay! Put it in there. Oh! Woo!
Wow. Good job. Diaper, please. Thank you. Can I have it? Thank you, my love. Thank you. Good job. Oh my God, some candles. I got white gardenia. And then I got lavender bergamot.
Hi. It's too hot, please.
You blow? Good job. Is it better? You like mommy's fur? You having fun? Hi. Oh my goodness. Good morning. Owen's here, River. Owen's here. You guys are reunited. Don't mess up his game, okay? Uh-oh.
It's okay. It don't do anything if I'm touching it and another hand touches it.
Oh, good. I love his hand on you.
Uh-oh.
Go ahead.
What's that?
It's a squid. Yeah.
It's so funny.
He's dancing. He's coming to you. Oh, you're coming to him. Oh, he's running.
He's coming, River. He's coming. You go throw it away, baby? Come on.
Owen tracking.
Go, go, go.
Say the magic spell. Go. That's correct. Okay, check it.
Yay!
Rental properties. I used Lone Star for a bit. It was $50 per mow.
Yeah.
But then one of our family friends, we know they mow lawn too. So I texted him, but he's 60 a month. So I said 60 per mow. But can I just go with him because he's All right, top of the morning to you, fam. Starting the morning off at Lux Cafe. Had to go back to the car to grab River his animal crackers. to the mall. Where are we?
We are at Luxury Cafe.
Yeah. What'd you get for breakfast?
I got chicken nuggets and pancakes.
Nana? Nana? Oh. Nana?
Hi. Hi, Daddy. Meat lovers, shrimp and grits, sandwich, chicken and waffle. Yours didn't come out yet. Oh, and fruit. He got a Benedict
Oh, yeah.
something.
Yeah, the bar- 10.5.
Thank you.
Hey, River. Hi.
Boy, that's my boy Draco, man.
River, look at the eyeball.
Go.
Want some matcha, River? Matcha. Let's get some matcha.
Cheers. Mark this deep. Good night, baby.